How to auto resize different shapes in Canva to be the same. So all you have to do is highlight or select the shape and then go to position. Now under advanced, you will see this width and height. Now you can input the exact width and height of the shape. So as you can see here, beside the width and height is the ratio. So the purpose of this ratio is that when this ratio is locked, whatever measurement you input in width will be the same with your height. So let's try locking the ratio. Say, for example, I want the width to be at 500. It will be the same thing with the height. Unlike when the ratio is unlocked, you can input whatever you want with the height. So there are instances where you want to lock the ratio, since there will be times that when you input a measurement on your width, the height will be dependent on the width, or when the width is dependent on the height. So let's do one more shape. So let's try circle. So make sure to select or highlight the shape and then go to position. Now input the width and height of the shape. So let's try locking the ratio. And so that is how you auto resize different shapes in Canva to be the same. Thank you and have a great day.